discussing. Hello all, how are you? Hope you are fine. Today we will be discussing how to create a project that is fully coordinated with all the trades like the interior, architecture, structure and mechanical. The process will be done on one link, like the structure and the levels and grids link, and it will be identified for all of the other links. So, first to say, let's talk and tell you about me a little bit. I'm Hind Jarrar. I'm an architect with 10 years of experience in international companies, and I'm a revit instructor. So, today we'll start with a sample project and talk about the process that we shall be working upon to finalize and get out with professional output that combine the architectural link with interior links and structural links into the same view or something. So, we have now a sample project done by a colleague. It's not my own project to make the copyrights, okay? This is the project. It's a full residential one. We'll say now what's the process that we will be working upon with other trades to transfer this AutoCAD project or this AutoCAD plan into a Revit model, and how it will be linked. We will not discuss how to make it into a Revit model as architecture, but we will be discussing how it will be linked as an architectural model modeled in Revit and linked with other trades like interior, electrical, and other trades. So to start with, this is the plans that we have. And we in this project and in this process, the client has finalized the design with the architectural team. So it's a finalized project, and we only need to transfer it into a Revit file and produce it in like sheets. All the sheets will be produced in the Revit mode. So let's say I'll give you another example. All the when we do it on Revit, all the plans will be and sections will be fully coordinated with other teams, and we can link all the needed links into the sheet or view that we want. So details will be more accurate, work will be more fully coordinated, and so on. Okay, let's start. Let's say this is we will be opening a new file, an architectural template file. Let's say it's a metric or imperial. We doesn't have the rule. It needs to be coordinated with all the trades. So if we'll be working with a metric file, the structure will be working on metric file as well. So we will be opening a new project, metric architectural template, project not a project template, and that's it. So it's a plain outcome. If we're working on like as an architectural team on one project and we don't need to link it with other trades, so in this case, whatever or wherever we want to put the model on, it's our choice. No problem. But when we're working with other trades and we want to coordinate the work professionally so that when we put one model upon the other, it's like layers of tracing paper. It's like a tracing paper linked together in one sheet. So it shall be coordinated and linked on the same coordinates. So this is the most important thing. So the first thing to do, as you see, the 0, 0 coordinates is not shown, and I will discuss what it is. And this is the most important thing, and what happens in most of the cases that have some problems while linking different links into the same project or into the same file. So this is the project base point and the survey point. That is definitely the one that we need to be showing. So we need to unhide category and then close reveal hidden elements. This element is the most important one. It's like the 0, 0, 0 in the terms of north, east, and elevation parts, like the 0, 0 in AutoCAD. So to have a professional work that all of the trades will be linking its plans and sections on the same coordinates, we shall be working upon this survey point, and this is the most important part. Let's say this is the architectural link that we need to coordinate. Firstly, we only need to put the make two files for the architecture. And this is the process that I recommend. Everyone works in a different process, but even in international companies, this is the way. After having a tender file, let's say, or not a tender file, let's say it's a concept design and approved by the client, and it needs to be delivered into a revit model and then shared with other trades so that they work upon, coordinated fully with all of the trades, and then we can get it into an output and sheets, opening and clearing some of the elements in the links and unhiding some of them. Today we will be talking about part of the process, and after tomorrow I will be linking the next part of the process that we need to do to fully coordinate the work in a professional way. So simply we need to put the first the link of the grids and columns, grids and levels. So in this file we shall go to manage project units and make sure that the units is fully coordinated with other teams and as per the firm standards or as per the country codes in meters, millimeters, or in feet or inches. So we will be working today on meters, 2 decimals, and none. All of the trades shall be working upon the same unit setup. And this is the most important thing. So, firstly, this is the project base point, and we'll definitely be creating the grids and putting it into this file. So we have two options, even to insert import CAD if we have it finalized and we don't need to change anything into the CAD project, or a link CAD if there's, and this is the link CAD, if we need to change some things and update some elements between the CAD and the Revit file. So let's say here I only inserted the CAD model or CAD file into the Revit file, and I will be showing you this into the next video, and I will be stopping this here.